New tonight, hundreds of child care providers closed their doors today and headed to the Statehouse to rally for their cause. They want more government funding at a time that they say the country is in a child care crisis. This is all part of the 4th annual National Day Without Child Care. And 10 TV political reporter Doug Petcash joining us now live at the Statehouse. Doug, you were there. You spoke with advocates about their message.
That's right, Angela. Hundreds of child care providers, teachers, parents, and supporters gathered outside the Statehouse today to rally in support of getting more funding. They say it's needed because they are the workforce behind the workforce.
Carrying signs and chanting slogans, Ohio child care providers and supporters made a plea, arguing Ohio can't function without child care and child care can't function without them.
Child care must be funded. We are the workforce behind the workforce.
But some parents have been forced to leave the workforce because of the rising cost of child care.
It's just too expensive.
That's the case for Carly Doucet and her son Liam. First, she and her husband cut Liam back to part-time daycare, but will soon pull him out altogether.
Even on a dual income, it wasn't working. I was basically working to pay for childcare at that point.
Providers say because of recent federal cuts to childcare and early education programs, some have not received funding in 3 weeks.
If we cut funding, then we can't provide the care. We can't make sure that your children are taken care of.
Jamez Burton is a teacher at Heavenly Kids Center for Learning in Columbus. During a visit there last May, owner Misty Norman told us keeping workers is a challenge. Fewer teachers means fewer kids she can take.
Everything was increasing except for the funds that we were receiving in order to pay our teachers.
Those at the rally also support Senate Bill 177, the Workforce Investment Now, or WIN, child care pilot. It proposes $20 million in state funding to give free child care to child care staff members. As a teacher and a mother with a 3-year-old in child care, Jamez Burton believes the bill would be a big help.
Senate Bill 177 would be able to allow the increase with funds for payout to providers to be able to say that we can have this teacher in place to be able to teach that child.
Senate Bill 177 is now in committee. It has not had a hearing yet. Advocates will be back here again at the Statehouse tomorrow to meet with lawmakers to push their cause and to have another rally as well. Live at the Statehouse, Doug Petcash, 10 TV News.
All right. Thank you, Doug.